Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Fastlane to automate iOS releases, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Fastlane to automate iOS releases, start by installing Fastlane on your machine. Open your terminal and run the command sudo gem install fastlane nv. Once Fastlane is installed, navigate to your iOS project directory. You can do this by using the command cd followed by your project path. Next, initialize Fastlane in your project by typing Fastlane in it. Choose the option for manual setup when prompted. This will create a new fast file in the project directory, where you'll define your lanes. Open the fast file with a text editor of your choice. Start by creating a lane for beta deployment. In the fast file, use the lane keyword followed by a name, such as beta. Define the actions within this lane, starting with the action build_app. Specify the platform and scheme that you want to build. Next, add the upload_to_test_flight action to upload your build to test flight. You can do this by adding it just below the build_app action. To automate versioning, consider adding the increment_version_number action above the build_app action. This will help you automatically bump the version number for each release. If you want to automate code signing, use the match action. This will manage your certificates and provisioning profiles easily. Save your fast file after making all the necessary changes. Now, open your terminal again and navigate to your project directory. To run your newly created lane, type Fastlane beta in the terminal. Fastlane will start executing the steps you defined in the beta lane. Monitor the output in the terminal for any errors or confirmations. Once the process is complete, check test flight for your uploaded build. To fully automate the release process, consider integrating Fastlane with your CI/CD services. This will allow you to trigger builds automatically upon code changes or pull requests. Explore additional Fastlane tools to enhance your release automation further. You have now successfully enabled Fastlane to automate iOS releases. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.